Okay, so these are the fireworks lights. Wanted to show at night how they look. Pretty cool. These are a copper wire with just like a little dot of a light on them. You kind of have to arrange them, right? They're totally bendable. So you can kind of fluff them up how you like. They are adjustable. So you can see they can be either steady or flashing. What's nice is that it is a pack of 5, but they each have their own solar panel, so they can be anywhere. You don't have to have them all in line. But again, I mean, you do have to kind of adjust it. You can see they look a little crazy, but they're really cool. Really unique, tall, and just kind of give a cool sparkle.